Nyimbo cia unduire kuma mabururu-ini 13 irio mithemba itiganite mihumbire ngurani ni mamwe ma maundu maria macanjamurire mbiraru monanio-ini maria matabaniirio ni mbiraru thukuru-ini wa mathomo wa mbiraru mwena wa Karen. Monanio maya makoragwo magitabanio oro mwaka kambe-ini no kuria mbiraru kuma mabururu-ini mangi maria ni hamwe na Burundi, bururi wa Nepal, Tanzania, South Africa, bururi wa Namibia, Uganda gatagati-ini ka mangi makuruhanagio monanio-ini maya.
It has brought together cultures of various countries, even within the country, a lot of communities. So today we are celebrating the diversity that brings unity in this college and also within the country itself.
Fata munene wa monanio maya ni gukinyaniria mathomo kuri mbiraru na ningi guthomithia unduire na miikarire ya andu matiganite.
There's a lot of diversity, but brings a lot of commonality in many ways. And what happens is that we tend to appreciate each other with our differences, but with commonalities in different ways. So today's function was just to showcase what each and every community does.
Kuringana na komandanti Bogwa Kinuthia uria kugemetie igongona riri monanio maya ni githomo kuri mbiraru kuona ni mahotaga kuingirana na andu undumwe na runao kuma icigo-ini ngurani bururi-ini hamwe na nja wa bururi.
Because of this, apart from just the participants themselves doing their professional studies, they'll appreciate other other cultures, other communities in a different way. And that is what is one of the aims of these colleges.
Monanio maya matabanagio oro mwaka thiini wa kambeno ya mbiraru na mabururi 14 nimo manyitanagira hari ukungwirio uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kambe-ini ya uthomithania wa mbiraru ya Karen. Ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.